two heavy hitters for entrepreneurs, Rocket Lawyer and Stripe Atlas, both promise to launch your business, but which one really delivers? On the left, Rocket Lawyer, legal help made simple for your business. And on the right, Stripe Atlas, global company formation powered by Stripe. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Alright, so here's the game plan. We're going to compare Rocket Lawyer and Stripe Atlas across a bunch of categories, and I've mapped it all out. We'll look at pricing structure, business formation support, additional services and integrations, global accessibility, legal support and consulting, and startup perks, because who doesn't love a good deal, right? Keep these in mind as we move through, because each one really shifts the experience. Let's kick things off with pricing, because honestly, who isn't thinking about their budget first? Rocket Lawyer has this flexible subscription thing. You can go monthly, annual, or even pay just when you need a document. So if you want ongoing legal support without blowing the bank, it's pretty affordable. I mean, yeah, some premium legal stuff can cost extra, but if you're a DIY type, it's nice. On the flip side, Stripe Atlas is more of a one-and-done setup. It's $500 upfront, and it covers a bunch like your incorporation, EIN, all that federal stuff. But heads up, you do have to pay $100 each year to keep things rolling. Compared to Rocket Lawyer, there's less ongoing legal support baked in. So Rocket Lawyer totally wins the pricing battle for flexibility and value. On to business formation. Rocket Lawyer's like your classic toolkit. You can start an LLC, C Corp, S Corp, nonprofit, whatever. And they include document creation, e-signing, that kind of stuff. Although, for folks who aren't based in the US, the process can move a bit slower, just being real. Now Stripe Atlas, this is where it gets interesting for startups, especially global founders. They've honed everything for that fast Delaware C Corp setup, which is kinda like the gold standard for tech. Integrated EIN applications, and the entire process is super optimized. But if you want something that's not a Delaware C Corp or LLC, Atlas isn't really your spot. For formation speed and international reach, Stripe Atlas totally takes the crown. Okay, let's talk extra features and integrations, because if your business is more than just a shell, this matters. Rocket Lawyer comes with a buffet of options, custom contracts, trademarks, estate planning stuff, and you can always reach out to real lawyers for advice. It's kind of like having a legal team in your pocket. Only thing, it's not really integrated for banking, so you'll handle that elsewhere. Stripe Atlas, meanwhile, is fully synced up with Stripe's payment stack. So right after you incorporate, you can start processing payments, and yeah, you get AWS credits and access to a founder network. But honestly, outside company setup and fintech, it gets limited fast. So for pro-level legal options, Rocket Lawyer easily wins this round. Wait, quick fun fact for you, did you know Stripe Atlas has helped launch over 30,000 startups from more than 140 countries? Like, that's kind of insane. Goes to show how global their audience really is. Now, global accessibility. Rocket Lawyer is mostly US first, but you can still hop in online for document creation wherever you are. If you're not a US citizen, though, brace yourself, business formation is a bit more of a process. Stripe Atlas is basically built for international founders. No US address, no social security number, no having to fly to Delaware, not that you necessarily would, but you get me. But you are locked into Delaware for incorporation, not other states. Still, if you want a slick, hassle-free launch from anywhere in the world, Stripe Atlas totally wins this round. How about ongoing legal help? Rocket Lawyer's a bit of a legend here. With membership, you get unlimited questions answered by actual attorneys, plus as you need consultations. It's got your back if you're the type who wants peace of mind. Not much else to nitpick, honestly. Stripe Atlas, on the other hand, gives you basic templates, access to general resources, and some referrals if things get sticky. What's missing? There's no ongoing attorney access. So Rocket Lawyer pretty much sweeps the legal support category. Alright, let's get into startup perks, because honestly these can be wild. Rocket Lawyer throws in some business discounts and partner offers, but let's keep it real, the perks aren't exactly tailored for hotshot startups. Stripe Atlas? Oh, here's something cool. You get AWS credits, sometimes thousands of bucks worth, and hand-picked deals for founders. There's even a whole community vibe. Only catch: the exact perk value can be all over the place depending on your situation, but for sheer startup goodness, Stripe Atlas wins easy. So let's line these two up side by side. Pricing, business formation, extras, global reach, legal support, and startup perks. When you look at all the scores together, it's pretty clear that Rocket Lawyer nails it in legal depth and flexibility, while Stripe Atlas is the major go-to for international founders with startup perks and super fast setup. So, bottom line, if you're craving that ongoing legal help, lots of custom documents, and want something super affordable over time, Rocket Lawyer is your best friend. But if you're a tech founder outside the US, need to launch fast, and want pretty sweet fintech and perk integrations, Stripe Atlas is absolutely where you start. It all depends on what you need right now, honestly. Hey, was this comparison helpful? If you want to dig deeper into the world of startup legal services or you've got more questions, drop it in the comments. We might just do a full breakdown soon.